Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob, the Rob's Nerd Knives. Today we have a special unboxing, something coming in from Chet. Not exactly sure what this is, but we're going to take a look together right now. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my Crescent Edges Celestial. It's a cool little knife that just came in. Love this thing. I think it's super cool. All right. I'll have to fuzz that out because it had information on there. Stickers are inside the pouch. You can give it all away or whatever you want. Oh, so this is for a giveaway. All right. Let's see what we have here. Okay, cool. Save the box. So a potential giveaway. So we Battle Cat. Okay, that's unique. I don't know if we can. May have to fuzz that out. So I don't know. This is a cool little kind of a little container here. This is a Moly media pouch, right, for your phone or something like that. Oh, and then you get a whole bunch of stickers. Look at that. Nice little room in there. Nice compartments. Unused still in the container. So we got Going Gear. That's cool. We have, Arcane Design. Love those guys. Slip Life. All right. Slip joints. Tall Boy. All right. That's, I didn't get one of those when I got my Tall Boy. That's cool. Divo Knives right here. We've got Flightanium. And we've got Plowman's Patches. That's cool. And then we have EDC Lifestyle. I like those. I like that guy. He's a pretty cool dude. So this is a DREAMTECH knife. Not familiar. I think I've heard of DREAMTECH before, but let's take a look and see what we have here. DREAMTECH purple. Oh, I think Patty would love this and other people. Very aggressive jimping. So this would really be, nice flipper. I like a little harpoon there. All right, so let's move this over here. We'll put these stickers over here. And, it comes with some extra hardware, by the way. And a little cloth that might make it, it'll make it with this one, I guess. It's a giveaway. I can't acquire that one before you see it, so sorry. All right, DREAMTECH, interesting. Front flipper, nice. What's the steel on this one here? D2 blade steel. Steel liners. We got a little back spacer back here. All that stuff looks pretty good. Sorry about the alarm, the motion sensor there. Flipper's pretty solid. Any blade plate? No. Any pivot lash? No. Let's listen to that detent. Nice and clickety. That's cool. Definitely no detent lash in there. Pretty solid little knife, I will admit. I don't know. I don't recall if either I reviewed a DREAMTECH and I don't remember it, or I talked to someone about it. I might have reviewed a DREAMTECH before. I can't remember. But pretty solid little budget knife. I like that. DREAMTECH. Reversible pocket clip. That's cool. Really nice. Liner lock, fully engaged. We're good 50%, 60% there. Not bad. Action's not bad either. Blade on there is pretty solid. Pretty even all the way both sides. Okay, very cool. I had to put that snooze because that door kept going off, that motion sensor. Sorry about that. Very cool little knife. I like that. It is Chinese made. It is a full liner lock. There's some good weight relief in there. Pretty, no sharp edges. No sharp edges here, which is cool. It's got that goofy duckbill kind of clip. It is steel. It does have some flexibility. It is reversible, as I already said. So not bad, which means that you can obviously do left-handed over here pretty well. Now you have a flipper and you have a front flipper. So let's see if we could do the knuckle flip. Get on there just right. Gotta get right. You can. It's a little stiff. It's a little stiff. It's not bad. It's definitely trying to go between being an ideal flipper and a front flipper, right? So a traditional back flipper and a front flipper. So typically you want a stronger detent, a little crisper for back here. And I do like the fact the jimping comes all the way out there. I mean, it would have been nice if they had a couple extra lines, maybe at least one extra line right there. But, not bad. It does work. You put your hand on there. You can do push, but you can. But as you can see, you got to clear. So you really do need to do light switch to clear this right there. But that works pretty good. Let's see. Can we do the reach round? We can. It's small enough we can do that. This is pretty interesting little knife. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's do a quick measurement on this guy. Let's go ahead and get our little opinion about this guy here. So the weight on this one is 3 ounces, which is not bad. That's pretty decent for a knife like that. And our measurements on the knife itself, the length, what have you, is going to be just under 7.5 inches. The handle area is going to be 3 5/8. If you do a little finger, you could do a trigger choke up. I'd be careful about that. It could be done. It would give you up to 4 inches. I just wouldn't do it personally with my big meaty fingers. 3.5, just under 3.5 for tip to back, but cutting length is 3 1/4. So 3 1/4, and then we're dealing with let me get my caliber over here. Our blade stock thickness on this guy is going to be 128 thousandths of an inch. Yeah, 128 thousandths of an inch, which is not bad. Pretty traditional. D2 steel can be pretty good if the heat treat it well. It's actually a really good steel. Love the swedge on top. Really functional harpoon blade shape. Jimping works. Functional, locks you in. The texture locks you in. Now, I will say the clip goes over that texture. It'll be a bit of a pocket shredder, so just keep that in mind. You could soften that out with a little bit of filing and remove the very grippy texture right there. That's what I would do if I was going to carry this regularly and I didn't want my pants ripped up or what have you. But action's not bad. It doesn't quite drop shut. I bet if we put a little bit of oil, it might get a little bit better. But we'll see. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Matter of fact, I'll just put a couple of drops of oil in there. Let's see what happens. Why not? First, we'll put a couple of drops in with the cage bearings because feel like it's cage bearings. It looks like it. Yeah, it does. So I'm going to put a little drop in there. And a little drop in there. Okay, and then we're going to put a little drop on the D10 ball. The D10 ball's right there. Just a little bit. Let's work that in. Not quite drop shutty. You might have to tune it. It is pretty dead nut centered. Is it? It's dead nut centered. I thought for a second it was a little to the right. No, but it's pretty dead nut centered. Very good, basic, solid little knife. You know, it feels very, it's not like some revolutionary design. We know that, and we're okay with that, right? We understand that that's not, I can't show that one. That's right. We understand that, but there's DreamTech customer service, by the way. We are okay with that. I do like their sticker here. Oh, I don't know if it's a sticker or if it came off. Maybe chat thought it was a sticker. I don't know. But this is very cool. Very cool. This will be a nice giveaway, especially with this pouch. I do need a pouch like this, man. One of these days, I got to get myself one of these. Red Rock Outdoor Gear. This would be cool to have like at Blade Show and stuff, just to have some knives and some stuff with me, because sometimes the backpack is just a lot. But there we go. It's definitely better. You can see that. It definitely drops. Definitely drops better. It's definitely smoother as that oil kicks in. So there you go. That is a cool little knife. I like it. I like it. I don't think I'm going to do a review on this one. I think we've kind of reviewed it here. I will tell you, I like it. I think it's a good budget knife. Now I'm going to figure out what the price is, and if I have it, I will try to put it right here. If not, there'll be a link in the description to the knife. I suspect that this is going to be a budget or super budget knife. I assume it's a super budget knife. Okay, so I looked it up real quick. DreamTech on their website says it's a $42 knife, which I think that's pretty cool. I think that's a decent price for that knife. So $42, I think that definitely puts it into the super budget knife. It's under 50 bucks. So yeah, I think I will tell you this. I like it. I'm going to recommend it. And my first impression right here, obviously, and since we're not doing a review, we're kind of incorporating the review and boxing together because it's a pretty basic knife, right? I will tell you that I definitely recommend it. Is it a favorite? I don't know if it's a favorite for me. I don't think so, but I think it's definitely recommended for the price, 42 bucks. And I'm sure if you can find a sale or a little discount, it might even be cheaper. Might find it somewhere else even for less. It's pretty decent. Pretty decent. It's D2 blade steel. I would like to see it maybe under $40. You know, one place that we didn't look is White Mountain Knives. Let's why not? Okay, so I only found it on their website. I think there's a couple other places that might sell it. I don't know. Don't know enough about it at this point, but I will tell you, for a budget knife, 42 bucks, it's not bad. The materials are pretty good. I know it's D2, but it's really done well. The finish on here is nice. The blade, the edge is pretty solid, I will say. The action is really good. Everything's solid together. The fit and finish is really solid for 42 bucks. It's captive pivot. It has all the little things that makes me think like a knife could be worth more than 50 bucks, but D2 steel definitely would want me to have it under 50. 42 is really close. Really, really close. I would feel better at like 35 to 38, 39, you know, or right at 40 maybe. But 42 is close enough. And I'm sure there's going to be, you can get a discount out there somewhere. And if you get a discount, it would absolutely be even better. Even better. Very cool little knife. I like it. I like it. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it, Chet, for the giveaway. This will be a fun giveaway for everybody. We will absolutely be doing that. You'll get a wonderful pouch. You'll get this knife. Of course, you're going to get the kazoo and some other stickers. I'll throw those in there as well. And you'll get this very interesting sticker here that I'm not going to leave up because I'm afraid I might have to cut that out for my video in case it does something. I know it's a monkey. It's just a monkey. And I get it. But you know, I don't know how the AI thing works, so I'm gonna play it safe. I want to play it safe. It's hilarious. You can go back and see it. I'll leave it in that one view, unless I do get dinged on the video, then it'll be gone. But very, very, very cool. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you were to hit the like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel, it does help out. It allows me to grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. Seriously. Big shout out to all you guys out there who are part of this channel. I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to channel members. You do two things. By being members, you encourage me, so thank you. And because of your generous support, you allow this channel to do things sooner. For instance, once a week budget banger giveaways. Big deal because of you guys. Allow me to borrow, ship knives. Thank you. You guys are huge, and I appreciate that. As a result of that, I want to do two things for you, right? Brand new channel members, email me your name and address and tell me you're a brand new channel member. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in the month we'll have 2 giveaways, and you are eligible for both of them. You could win both. I'm serious, you could. That's happened once, very rare, but you could. It can be done, just so you know. And I always try to make sure that the members giveaway is a little bit better than the budget banger giveaways. Hopefully something you'd enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift, right? If that sounds interesting, I have a link down below in the description. 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't ever feel pressured to do so. Do it because you want to. And if you choose to become a member, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. And yes, there is other things. You do get emojis that you can use here in the comments and the live stream. You do get kazoo salutes on the live stream. You do get 1 year, 2 year, 3 anniversary stuff, exclusive content. All that's true. It's my small way to say thank you, and I appreciate you. All right, everyone else, I appreciate you guys being part of this. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.